What are hybrid roses? Hybrid roses are a type of rose that is created by crossbreeding different varieties of roses. This is done in order to create new and improved varieties of roses that have desirable characteristics, such as increased disease resistance, unique colors or fragrances, and more abundant or longer-lasting blooms. Hybrid roses can be created in a variety of ways, including through controlled pollination, grafting, or genetic engineering. By carefully selecting and breeding different varieties of roses, plant breeders can create hybrids that have the best traits of each parent plant. Hybrid roses come in many different forms and a range of colors, including red, pink, and white, as well as more unusual colors such as yellow, orange, and even black. Hybrid roses are popular as they are hardy, easy to care for, and produce long-lasting blooms. They are also used for cut flowers and are a popular choice for special occasions such as weddings and Valentine's Day.